The first one really is all about most people who I come across talk about shortcuts. So when I'm speaking in public or if I meet somebody and we talk about how to be successful in the world of property, one of the most common questions people ask is, what's the one thing that I need to do? Or at best, if somebody's a bit smarter than everybody else in the room, they might say, what are the top 3 things I need to do? Now the good news is, there are things you can do. The bad news is, it ain't 1, 2 or 3. See, success takes a long time, and I'm sure, like me, you've probably heard other people say that there are 25-year, 30-year, 40-year, 50-year overnight success. It took Warren Buffett a long time to get to where he